Hey guys, so in the last video we made these tubes, and in this video I'm gonna make, hopefully, a better tube. I don't like this transparent one. It's still very soft and squishy and sticky and it picks up dust. This white stuff seems to be much better and also much more tolerant to the fuel. So as a little experiment, I've got here just a splash of 98 octane, because that's what I've got spare, and a little ring of each, and we'll toss that in there. And while I'm making the rest of this video, we'll see how they go. So this time around I'm using black window and glass silicone. We'll see how this goes. I'm hoping it'll be a lot like the white one. Like the white one, it's acetic cure. So I did eventually get the nail out of the mold. It just took a bit of heat to loosen it up, and then I pulled it out with a pair of pliers and drilled out the silicone. Just reducing the diameter of the nail a little bit here. Let's give this a go. I'll actually dunk the wood in there. There we go. Let's give this one a try. I'll blow on the end. Yep. It's a hollow. So I've just snipped another bit off the end of this black tubing and we can see what's going on. It's formed a solid ring on the inside and the outside, and this is, I think, pretty much fully cured, if I were to guess. Alrighty guys, let's take a look. It's been a whole night in this little puddle of fuel. Let's tip out our 3 experiments and take a look. So, this was the clear hose. You can see how much it's swollen up. This one here was the white hose. I feel like this is swollen a lot less, but you can see the diameter of the hole on the insides have really changed. And this piece here is the black stuff, and it's interesting. You can see it's swollen at one side a lot more than the other. Not sure the reason for that, but that's really swollen up big, my goodness. So we'll call it a failure and move on. I'll just use the cheap polyurethane tubing. I'm sure it'll be fine. It was a nice thought. There probably are proprietary methods to get this to work, like, I don't know, maybe they can cure it. Different mixes, different types of silicone rubber, cured at high pressure, high temperature, with additives like really fine calcium carbonate, basically chalk powder. I've heard that works, but I don't think I'm going to try any of those. Let's just call it quits and move on. But on the other hand, it's not been a complete failure. I mean, I have found a way to make tubes that can be used for all kinds of fun experiments. Like, I don't know, maybe you need a really super flexible tube for water and you want to use it to demonstrate hydraulics. So, I mean, it kind of works for that. Alright guys, well, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.
I threw some of the silicone bits into a mixture of water and detergent. And the most bizarre precipitate has formed. I'm not even sure that's what it is, but over the course of the day it's changed shape a lot and it's made these weird stranded structures. It's very, very strange.